So here we've got a pretty cool bike. This is a Victory Octane. This is 1200cc. It's a 16 plate, 2016 model year. Obviously no longer produced or brought into this country. Relatively low miles, 8,500. Good service history. Comes with heated grips, HPI clear, 12 months MOT, fully serviced up to date. So from the front, all looks good. Original fly screen and fairing. Tyres are in good working order. Tank's all nice. Engine looks lovely. It's like a bit on the frame there. Very hard to see when you stand back. That was from the previous owner when the grips were installed, I'm told. The exhausts all look smart, nice in the black finish. Black shocks, pillion pad, sissy bar, rear rack, all looks smart. These are really nice bikes to ride if you haven't had the chance to ride one. Smart looking rear light, belt drive, so you haven't got to worry about much. Ignition on the left hand side there. Yeah. Obviously they share lots of bits with the Indians in terms of components. Starts up lovely, sounds lovely. Heated grip control there, very basic. Switch gears, which is what you like. You got clock, odometer, gear indicator, and your speedo. What more do you need? As with all the bikes, comes serviced up to date. Comes with 12 months MOT, 3 months warranty. Delivery is available nationwide. Finance available. Any questions, please let us know. If you want to come in and view it, you're more than welcome to. Just give us a shout before you do. Check out the website, which is motorworksnorfolk.co.uk. And I think that's about it. But if there's any questions or you want anything clarifying, any further information on it, please let us know. Thanks for having a look.